Far in the Arctic Ocean between mainland Norway and the North Pole, there is a remote group of islands called Svalbard, where people live in one of the coldest and most extreme environments on Earth, surrounded by ice, darkness, and wild nature. Svalbard is not a typical place to live, because for much of the year, it is covered in snow and ice, and the conditions are both beautiful and dangerous at the same time. One of the most unusual things about Svalbard is its extreme daylight cycle, which is very different from most places in the world. During summer, the sun does not set for several months, creating what is known as the midnight sun, where it stays bright even at midnight. But in winter, the opposite happens, and the sun does not rise at all for weeks, creating a long period of darkness called the polar night. This extreme change can affect people's sleep, mood, and daily life, because the natural rhythm of day and night disappears. Life in Svalbard also comes with serious challenges, especially because of the cold and the remote location. Temperatures can fall far below freezing, and strong winds can make the air feel even colder, which makes daily activities more difficult. To survive, people must be well prepared and carefully adapt to the environment. Another surprising fact is that Svalbard is one of the few places in the world where polar bears live close to human settlements. Polar bears are powerful predators, and they can be dangerous, so people in Svalbard must always be aware of their surroundings. In fact, when people leave the town, they are often required to carry protection, because encounters with polar bears are a real risk. Svalbard is also known for a very unusual rule. It is not allowed to be buried there. Because the ground is permanently frozen, a condition called permafrost, bodies do not decompose naturally. For this reason, people who become seriously ill are often sent to mainland Norway for treatment, so they do not remain on the island. Despite these challenges, people still choose to live in Svalbard. The main town, Longyearbyen, is home to a small community where people work in research, tourism, and local services. Many scientists come here to study climate change, wildlife, and the Arctic environment, because Svalbard provides a unique opportunity to observe these conditions closely. Svalbard is also home to the famous Global Seed Vault, a secure storage facility built deep inside a mountain, where seeds from around the world are kept safe. This vault is designed to protect plant life in case of global disasters, making Svalbard an important place not only for science, but also for the future of humanity. Living in Svalbard requires strength, preparation, and respect for nature. It is a place where humans must learn to live carefully in balance with a powerful and sometimes dangerous environment. So what do you think? Could you live in a place where the sun disappears for months, where polar bears walk nearby, and where nature is both beautiful and unforgiving?